Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th of July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday 0.22% negative move, 1.34484 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's straight away check our weekly candle. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle with a small to medium body and a big upper wick and a medium lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 4932 level, which is around which is indicating as a sideways momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked, but we need to do some minor changes which has happened during this previous courses. So here I have deleted some markings. You can do the same on your chart as well. Now let's straight away talk about the closing first. Some levels were marked over here which I have removed. You can remove the same. Now let's talk about the closing here. 1.34484 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.34312. Direct resistance is 1.34667. After direct support, there is a support of 1.34057, and after that 1.33805. Here after direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34963 and then 1.35159. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels as well in your chart. Now let's talk about my opinion. Before that, if you don't have enough capital to trade in forex market, and if you want to trade in forex market with someone else's or company's fund, then you can open a prop firm account where you can buy a challenge account where you need to pass that challenge and you will get funding to trade in forex market. So if you're interested in that, I have already given link in the description of prop firms, and as well as I have shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take maximum discounts to buy those prop firms or funded account to get a funded account challenges. So now you can use that link and use that coupon code. But if you feel this prop firms has very strict rules and you don't want to follow any such rules and you want to trade freely, then you can open your account in GTC FX, where you can get a demo account as well as a live account where you can fund your own capital, where you can add your own capital and do the live trading. But there is also a demo account where you can trade where you don't have currently any strategy built. Then you can build your own strategy there and you can trade and test your trading strategy in GTC FX. So if you're interested in that, I've already given link in the description of GTC FX as well, where you can open your live account as well as demo account. Now if you don't know anything about trading, or if you don't know anything about the prop firm rules, or you face any issue with GTC FX while depositing or withdrawing, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you regarding for the same. But now if you feel the if you want any help with trading related tips, I won't be helping you with that, but I will help you on how you can manage your risk, how you can trade disciplinedly, and you can get funding as well as you can get payout from prop firms. Now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.346672 to 1.34963. I'm expecting a positive move in this range. Even the move can move till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is though positive, but if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.34312 gets breached and a 4-hour or one day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.